I mean, okay, the question is, do you agree or disagree that do you agree or disagree that computers will replace teachers one day? I explain. To be honest, I'm not entirely convinced that computers will ever fully replace teacher. There is no doubt that artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly advanced and widely applicable. Many educational platforms now integrate AI into the courses, so enhancing the learning experience. However, AI remains a supplementary tool rather than completely substitutes for traditional classrooms education. Face-to-face instruction and private coaching will always be most effective and often the most expensive way of learning.